Ever wondered what happens during your 8 hours of sleep? For roughly 1/3 of our lives, we are asleep. Yet during these 8 hours, the body is far from inactive. Beneath the surface, a coordinated sequence of biological processes unfolds, gradual, rhythmic, and essential to how the body functions. As the body prepares for sleep, sensory input begins to fade. Inside the brain, activity in the cortex slowly reduces, while a small region called the hypothalamus helps regulate the transition. Signals associated with the sleep-wake cycle begin to shift, and the body moves away from alertness. Breathing becomes slower and more regular, and the heart rate begins a gentle decline. Within minutes, the body enters light sleep. Muscles relax, and responsiveness to the external environment decreases. Brain activity continues to slow, showing less frequent and more synchronized signaling. Although the body is not fully disengaged, awareness fades, and small physical movements become less frequent. As sleep deepens, the body enters a more stable phase. The heart beats at a slower, steady rhythm, and breathing becomes more consistent. Body temperature may drop slightly, reflecting reduced metabolic activity. Internally, the brain shows patterns of coordinated activity, indicating a shift into a more structured sleep state. Deeper still, the body reaches what is often referred to as slow-wave sleep. Brain activity becomes highly synchronized, forming slow, rhythmic patterns. During this stage, processes associated with physical restoration become more prominent. Muscle tissues remain relaxed, and subtle cellular activities, such as protein synthesis and tissue maintenance, are more active. Hormonal signals, including those linked with growth and repair, are more pronounced during this period. After this phase, the body transitions into REM sleep, short for rapid eye movement. Here, brain activity increases and becomes more similar to wakefulness. The eyes move rapidly beneath closed eyelids, while most skeletal muscles remain largely inactive. Breathing may become less regular, and heart rate can vary slightly. This stage is often associated with vivid dreaming, although the exact purpose of REM sleep continues to be studied. Throughout the night, these stages do not occur just once. Instead, the body cycles through them multiple times. Early in the night, deeper sleep stages tend to last longer. As time progresses, REM periods become more extended. These repeating cycles reflect the body's internal timing systems, maintaining a structured progression across several hours. As the end of the sleep period approaches, the body begins preparing to wake. Hormonal signals gradually shift again, and brain activity increases. Breathing becomes more stable, and the heart rate rises slightly. External awareness slowly returns, even before the eyes open. Finally, the transition to wakefulness occurs. The brain resumes higher levels of activity, sensory systems reactivate, and the body regains full voluntary movement. What appears to be a simple period of rest is, in reality, a dynamic and coordinated sequence of physiological events. While many aspects of sleep are well understood, others are still being researched. What is clear is that sleep is not a passive state. It is an active, structured process involving the brain, body, and multiple interconnected systems working together over time. Subscribe to this channel in order not miss any of our videos.